but I'm actually going to do a quick video on my 3 carry guns. This is the Smith & Wesson 642-1, no lock, 38 special, 5 shots, very lightweight, very nice gun to carry and shoot. This is the Kahr CM9, I believe. Yes, CM9. I've had this about 15 years. I've had this a really long time. Put a lot of rounds to it. It's been a great gun. I've owned every version of this gun. There's 4 versions. I've owned all of them. This is the one I kept the longest. And this is a Colt Detective Special from the mid-90s. About 96 they stopped making it. This is from the last year of production. It is a 6-shot 38 Special. All right. Both these guns only shoot 38 Special. They both are rated for plus P. Both really good concealed carry guns. This is an all-steel gun. This is a combination of aluminum and steel. So this one weighs 18 ounces. This weighs about 13 ounces empty. So, and this Kahr in the middle, this is a 6+1 gun. So six rounds in a mag and 1 in the chamber. So 5 rounds, 7 rounds, and 6 rounds. All right, that's the first part of it. I'm going to shoot some and I'll be right back. Okay. This is the Colt 38 Special. I'm going to try and do this. All right, this is the Smith & Wesson 642. I've shot this gun quite a bit. Quite a bit more recoil, quite a bit more snap because it's such a lightweight gun. But I put the larger Pachmeyer grips on it. The other gun had stock Colt rubber grips. They're pretty nice too, but these are really good absorption grips. These are really nice. So I think the Smith is easier to carry. The Colt's probably more accurate. So this is the Kahr CM9. Had this gun like 15 years. I don't know how many rounds to it. It's a lot of rounds. It's been a great gun, very reliable. Let's shoot some rounds to it real quick. Thoughts on these 3 carry guns. All right, this is the lightest gun and it shoots extremely well. You can shoot it from the pocket. Because being a revolver, there's nothing to move. It'll fire from the pocket if you have to fire from the pocket. 5 rounds, excellent gun. The Colt, same thing. It weighs a lot more, so there's a lot less felt recoil, and you have the ability in this gun to pull the hammer back and shoot single action, giving you more accuracy at a longer range. The CM9 is flatter. It's right in between the 3 guns in weight. Yeah, right in the middle of the 3 guns in weight. It's flatter, it's thinner. It's probably literally the smaller of the 3 guns, and it holds 7 rounds. Semi-auto is going to be faster to reload, and again, I've shot this gun for 15 years, so I'm extremely good with this gun, and this is the gun that I probably carry the most of all the guns. I will drop this in my pocket if I'm wearing lightweight shorts, like swim trunks. I'll put that in my pocket because it weighs, next to nothing. It's very lightweight, and have a gun and not need it is better than to need a gun and not have it. So, I drop it in my pocket when I'm wearing something that doesn't have a belt or something. It's super lightweight. The Colt has a fantastic holster. This is an Alabama holster right here, custom made. Fits it like a dream. Fits in the pocket flat. You can't even tell it's there. Gives you 6 good rounds. Didn't I? Double action only. About 10 pounds. This is technically a double action only because it actually puts a load on the trigger when you pull it, but it is about 5.5 pounds. Trigger pull on this one from the double action is 8 pounds, maybe 9 pounds, a little less than the Smith, but it allows you to you can pull the hammer back and have a crisp 2-pound trigger pull for longer range shots if need be. Again, the Smith & Wesson 38 with a 2-inch barrel and the Colt with a 2-inch barrel. These are not long range guns. The Kahr has a 3-inch barrel. A 9mm is slightly spicier and more power. You can run hollow points in anything. They all feed everything 100%. I think for sheer reliability and ability to just put something down right now, forever in any situation, revolver's hard to beat. really is hard to beat. I've shot the CM9 and other smaller guns like that for many years and taught it for many years and have no issues whatsoever with carrying or shooting a small semi-auto. So carry what you like, but carry always. You never know when something's going to happen. Bad guys and bad dogs are everywhere. I'm in Las Vegas. I get a ton of homeless people approaching me every day, and I get the occasional stray dog running up to me. And haven't been bit yet, but it's been real close a few times. So you never know. Always carry, always be prepared. Have a great day.